Fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish. Fish are often caught in the wild, but may also be caught from stocked bodies of water. Techniques for catching fish include hand gathering, spearing, netting, angling, and trapping. Fishing may include catching aquatic animals other than fish, such as mollusks, cephalopods, crustaceans, and echinoderms. The term is not normally applied to catching farmed fish or to aquatic mammals, such as whales, where the term whaling is more appropriate. In addition to being caught to be eaten, fish are caught as recreational pastimes. Fishing tournaments are held, and caught fish are sometimes kept as preserved or living trophies. When bioblitizes occur, fish are typically caught, identified, and then released. According to the United Nations FAO statistics, the total number of commercial fishers and fish farmers is estimated to be 38 million. Fisheries and aquaculture provide direct and indirect employment to over 500 million people in developing countries. In 2005, worldwide per capita consumption of fish captured from wild fisheries was 14.4 kilograms, with an additional 7.4 kilograms harvested from fish farms. Fishing is an ancient practice that dates back to at least the beginning of the Upper Paleolithic period, about 40,000 years ago. Isotopic analysis of the remains of Tianyuan men, a 40,000-year-old modern human from Eastern Asia, has shown that he regularly consumed freshwater fish. Fishing techniques include hand gathering, spearfishing, netting, angling, and trapping. Recreational, commercial, and artisanal fishers use different techniques, and also sometimes the same techniques. Recreational fishers fish for pleasure, sport, or to provide food for themselves, while commercial fishers fish for profit. Artisanal fishers use traditional, low-tech methods for survival in third-world countries and as a cultural heritage in other countries. Usually, recreational fishers use angling methods and commercial fishers use netting methods. A modern development is to fish with the assistance of a drone. Why a fish bites a baited hook or lure involves several factors related to the sensory, physiology, behavior, feeding, ecology, and biology of the fish, as well as the environment and characteristics of the bait, hook, and the lure. There is an intricate link between various fishing techniques and knowledge about the fish and their behavior, including migration, foraging, and habitat. The effective use of fishing techniques often depends on this additional knowledge. Some fishers follow fishing folklores which claim that fish feeding patterns are influenced by the position of the sun and the moon. In 2005, the worldwide per capita consumption of fish captured from wild fisheries was 14.4 kilograms, with an additional 7.4 kilograms harvested from fish farms. Fishing is an ancient practice that dates back to at least the beginning of the Upper Paleolithic period, about 40,000 years ago. Isotopic analysis of the remains of Tianyuan men, a 40,000-year-old modern human from Eastern Asia, has shown that he regularly consumed freshwater fish. People could have developed basketry for fish traps and spinning and early forms of knitting in order to make fishing nets to be able to catch more fish in larger quantities. There are many fishing techniques and tactics for catching fish. The term can also be applied to methods for catching other aquatic animals, such as mollusks, shellfish, squid, octopus, and edible marine invertebrates.